Hey everyone, I'm gonna make Biko for the first time. I'm gonna follow Panlasang Pinoy's ingredients. He uses 2 cups of glutinous rice or sticky rice or sweet rice or malagkit. 2 cups of brown sugar. 4 cups of coconut milk. He uses both cans, so I'm gonna use both cans on this video. On this video, he uses 2 cans. I think there's 2 cups per can. I'm not sure. I don't really know. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So this all the ingredients are right here. So this one you're gonna cook it separately in the rice cooker. The rice, and all these ingredients here you mix it together on a different pot. Then we'll combine them. That's how you did it. So I'm gonna do it that way. See how it tastes like. So I'm gonna make the rice first. Actually gonna measure this time. I'm not gonna cut corners. 2 cups. Now I'm gonna rinse this and cook it. My rice cooker is used right now by the regular white rice, so that's why I'm using the small one right here. This is a faster cooker, by the way. So now I'm gonna mix the ingredients and cook it separately. Alright, I got my sugar here, brown sugar. So I got 1/4 teaspoon of measuring spoon of beer, so I'm gonna add 2 to make it 1/2. And that's good. Now heat up this one. But if I plan it better, I would have heat up this one first before doing this. So alright, I'm gonna dump both coconut milk. Alright, my coconut milk is really hot now. I'm gonna mix it now. So where's my stuff at? So I've seen some other videos where they bake it afterwards. His recipe doesn't need to be baked, so mix. All right, I'm supposed to be doing this in low heat. That's why it is boiling. Said first time cooking. I don't know what I did wrong, but the mixture it didn't get thickened. Should I add more brown sugar? Alright, I didn't add anything. Now it's finally thickened. But I did something wrong. Now I'm going to add the rice now. Rice is hot. This is almost done. It's not completely evaporated yet, but he said that keep mixing until the mixture is almost evaporated. So, but right now it's already sticking into the spatula. See, it's already thickened. Maybe 5 more minutes, and I'm gonna transfer this out. Let's flatten this thing and leave it cool down. Alright, I flattened it already. I'm just gonna let it cool down and start cutting it. Hopefully it tastes good. Yeah, it's first time. You know, you can always make it your own. Add some little bit of ingredients that you like. All right, it's cool down us. It's a little bit it's a little warm still, but I'm gonna cut it. Taste it. See if it's good. Let's see. Yeah. Here's the Biko. Let's see how it tastes like. It's really good actually. Hopefully I don't go to the bathroom afterwards, but it's good. The only thing I messed up is the rice. I didn't cook it right. But the flavor of the Biko is good. Except for the rice, I messed up. And again, this is my first time making it, so next time I'll cook the rice in the better rice cooker. That one, that other one, I don't think it's designed to make the sweet rice. The other one, it has functions in it, like how to cook. I mean, how, depends on the rice. It tells you what button to push. The other one, I'll just cook it like so it cooked like 20 minutes. It was done already. Good. Now I'm gonna start making my own Biko. Eventually I'll get this right, but for now this is good. Right, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. This is my third time making Biko. My second one was good, and this is the third time. I changed it a little bit. I cooked the rice more. I cooked the rice with more water, and it cooks better, and it tastes better too. Alright, this is my third time I made it. The second one was good too. I forgot to video it, but this is really good, very tasty. And all the rice are cooked now. Not like last time where it wasn't all cooked. This time I put enough water in my rice cooker, so the rice got cooked. I know some people they don't really cook the rice in the rice cooker all the way. They take it out and cook it when they're mixing, but last time I did that, some of the rice didn't get cooked, so this one is cooked. So this is my third one, and I'm getting the hang of it now. I'm getting better at it. Right, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.